Hey everybody, BubblePOP Kids here. Get ready for some Project MC Squared right now. Bubble Teens, welcome back to the show, and we have such a good one today. This is so cool and so super new. I've actually never seen it before. It is the Project MC Squared Gemstone Reveal. Not only is this a gemstone reveal kit, like a dig it kit, there is real turquoise, amethyst, and rose crystal. Whew, it's gonna be pretty. And basically what this thing is a super cute dig it bar. It is a little dig it bar, it's purple, it looks adorable. Comes with all these tools to pop the gems out of there. And once you find the little rocks and gemstones, you can actually make your own jewelry with them. That is so cool. I mean, I've never seen a dig it kit like this. Look at that, little necklaces and bracelets. Adorable. By the looks of it, this is going to be such a cute little project because look at all these little dig it tools it comes with. It comes with like a Project MC Square little hammer, a chisel, little brush. That is so cute. Magnifier, and of course those little strings and cords to make the jewelry. The first step, we have to chisel. After you chisel away at it, you gotta let it dissolve a little bit. Maybe we have to pop it in some water, almost like a bath bomb. After you get your little rocks and gems out of there, you can make super cute jewelry. Final step, you can wear the jewelry. How cute would that be to wear back to school? You could say you made it. Stay tuned to the end of the video because after we do that kit, we have some surprises. We got 3 cute ones, a kawaii little squeezy box. We got a cutie car, my first ever, and my first ever LOL Charm Fizzy little bath bomb. Now guys, there's nothing left to do but start digging and chiseling and get the gemstone reveal. Come on. Okay, so we're getting to it. I emptied out the box and here are the accessories. Not too many things, but just what we need. And I love how they made this brush pink. It's so cute. It's almost like a makeup brush. So we got the chisel, we got the hammer, the brush, little magnifier. But the best part about this kit, you guys, is the dig it stone. It smells like a bath bomb. As soon as I pop this out of the box, I could smell like shampoo or some kind of a bubble bath. It smells so, so good. I think it is scented. And the best part about this, there are 2 options to get the gems. The little Project MC Square direction kit here. So basically there's 2 options to get the stones out. You can either dig it or you can make it pop and fizz. It's like a bath bomb. Wow, I am just loving this kit because I have never seen a dig it bar that you could just make pop and fizz like a little bath bomb. I don't know what to do. Should I dig at it or should I just let it dissolve? You know what guys, I think we'll do both. How about I just start chipping away at it and then when I get to kind of the middle, put it in some water. We'll do a half and half. Let's see. And before we get to it, let me just show you an up close of all these tools. I love how it has that little logo on there, the Project MC Squared. And this is literally the biggest hammer I have ever seen with a dig it kit. It is so big, it's gonna do the job. Here is the standard wooden chisel, super simple. My personal favorite accessory, this pink brush. Look at this, it's so cute, it's super light. Love that. Favorite color. A little magnifier to get an up close at those gems and stones. Ugh, so curious to see what they're gonna look like. And last but not least, the jewelry making cords. I actually love these colors. It's like a pink, kind of like a turquoise and black. Well guys, I don't know about you, but I'm ready for some treasure hunting. I got my chisel, my hammer. Let's break this open. Whoa, and this thing is rock solid. I thought it was a little bit softer. No, it's gonna take a while. I may have to soak it a little bit. Woo! Chisel, Bubba, come on! Bingo, I think we got something already. Ooh, that looks like a piece of silver. Look at that little stone right there. Oh, I don't wanna break it. Ooh, we got one. Took less than a minute and we got our first little treasure here. Look at this, you guys. It is so, so pretty. It's actually so smooth. Kind of looks like a rose crystal maybe. I'm not too sure. It almost looks like a little glass pebble. Get my chisel in position and This is so funny because as I'm chiseling at it, every time a piece breaks, it smells even better. It smells like, I don't know, it smells like shampoo, like lavender. Alrighty, let's go. Nope. Where are these things hiding? What's going on? I got one super early and now I just can't find any. Let's see. I want a pink one. Ugh. On this side. I could not find anything. You know what is so funny about this? Normally when you do a dig it kit, it's kind of like this brown or like a dark sand. This is just like you're crushing up a bath bomb. It smells good. It's like this purple powder. I like this. All right, I don't know. Not finding anything.
Chisel, Bubble, chisel, chisel. With the hammer, fix it. Okay.
Let me just get my pink brush and clear all this dust everywhere. Alrighty guys, so this thing is super solid. I mean, I can't break through it. My hammer broke. What do you say? I get some water and we turn it into a bath bomb. Let's do it. So the first option of digging in didn't work too good, you guys. So we are going to option number 2. Make it pop and fizz. Got my water right here. I got what's left of the stone. Let's see.
It smells so good!
Best smelling dig it bar on the planet. I mean, it is making a mess, but it smells like a bubble bath in here. It is so fizzy. Oh, it smells good. It just smells like flowers. I can't describe it any other way. And ooh, turquoise. This thing is so cool. I've never seen anything like it. And we started off this crazy show with a purple rock, and now I got a purple bowl of water. It almost looks like some kind of grape soda. And I pulled out this rock. Would you guys look at this? I think it is turquoise. Woo! Here we go. Let me see what's left of the dig stone. Ooh, here it is. I think it's empty. Yep. Let's see what's in this bowl. Ooh. We got another clear one. Bingo. This is the one I was looking for. We got an amethyst. Look how pretty that is. And apparently it's supposed to be real. It's kind of like a purple grayish stone. I think if your birthday's in February, this is the birthstone. I'm gonna dip my hand in one more time and see if we missed any. Ooh, yeah, we did. Look at this one. Tiny.
Mess ever. But it smells so good.
Here is what we got. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different gemstones, and they are so cute. I don't know why I was thinking we would get a pink one, but this right here kind of has like a pinkish tint to it. It's not as transparent as this one. We have the amethyst. Oh, this one is really, really nice. It's kind of like sharp and edgy, and it's got like a purple grayish tint to it. Really cute. My personal fave of everything we found was the turquoise stone. It is so pretty. First of all, after pink, this kind of like turquoise blue is my favorite color. And I just love all those little nooks and ridges in there. That would make such a cute necklace. Here's the last one I dug out, and it is so small. It's so super small. It's like a little black stone, and it's got like these gray speckles on there. It's really, really different. This one right here is almost like a piece of glass, but it's kind of cloudy. It's not too clear, but it's so soft. It's really, really smooth. And the final one, which is actually the first one I dug out, this glass pebble right here. It's so shiny. You know, if you look at it quickly, it almost looks like a diamond. But super smooth. voila, your Project MC Square Gem Reveal Kit. You know, after doing this, I absolutely loved it. I loved how it had a good smell to it, and I liked how it was kind of a bath bomb and a dig it all together. It smelled super good, it made a little bit of a mess, but not too much, and the stones were really, really pretty. Bubble teens, here are the 3 surprises. We got some Cutie Car, Kawaii Squeezy, and Charm Fizz. Let's open this one first. Actually, before we do this, let me just compare here. So here is a little Charm Fizz, and here is a regular LOL surprise. This thing is so super tiny, and I have never opened one. Curious what is gonna be inside of here. Let's drop it in water. A little cup of water here. I hope this isn't too small and it will do the trick. And we gotta start peeling the layers. There's 3 surprises. Let's see. Ooh, what is this? Now that you have your little gemmies, the next step is to look at the directions and see how to make the jewelry. It basically gives you a step-by-step how to wrap the cord around these rocks and turn them into necklaces. And to tell you the truth, it looks a little bit complicated, but it probably isn't. And that's what it will look like. At this little collector's guide, and you guys, I didn't realize how cute these were. Look at this little cheeseburger. We got like a little croissant. They are too cute. Zipper number 2, here we come. Surprise number 1, we got a little kitty ring tattoo. How cute is this? I gotta put it on right now, let's see. Fingers crossed, I hope it worked. Let's see. Oh, look at that. We have kitty ring. So adorable. I like that kind of like a cheetah print on there. Charm Fizzy. Ooh, and it's pink. Unpeel it. There it goes. Ew, looks like I got some magical potion. Oh, this smells really good. Almost smells like strawberry soda. Kind of like fizzy soda. Wow. Oop, it is not ready yet.
This looks like strawberry soda. Crazy.
Check on this baby and see if we got it. Ugh, it's still not there. Ooh, yes it is. What is that? Little Charmatinis, here you go. Your little LOL charm, and it is so cute. I actually wanted the cheeseburger, but it's like a little pink juicy cup with a golden top. It's adorable. And it comes with this little orange piece. Kind of matches with the colors of the kitty tattoo. It's got the orange and pink. Amazing. Let me put this little treasure next to my other little treasures from today. And again, I'll squish it on. We got a little kawaii squeezy box. Ugh, I love these. So many cute ones. I collected like 3 or 4, but I always want the s'more. That is such a cutie. Let's see what we get. Oh, what's it gonna be? No, we got the pizza. Oh, this is even cuter. I don't have this one. Aww, little pizza slice. They had ice cream cones, PB&J, little cupcakes. I wanted the s'more, but the pizza is just as cute. Look at that. Not too slow rising, but it definitely is a squishy. It's got your little charm on there. Love it. Kitty cars. I've been singing that all day. I love that commercial. I got my first ever little cutie car. You guys, it's so cute. It kind of looks like a birthday cake and a Shopkin and a Petkin. It's got the sprinkles and the little candle. And you just pop the top and put your little wishes in there. Look at that little cutie. Pops right on. Look at that, we got a little cupcake driving a car. These are so adorable. I want one of these in real life that I could actually drive. And if you don't want it to be a top down, pop it back on. Look at that. Woo! So that is a wrap, guys. We are finished. We did our dig it kit. We got all our little cutie things, and it is time to close it. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to see similar videos to this one, click right here on the left. If you want to subscribe to BubblePOP Kids, just click this big yellow bubble with the bubblegum machine and subscribe. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.